yeah, waiting in the parking lot of a pizza ranch, about to pick up a Sakura D4 drift car RC locally, so getting a pretty good deal on it. Let's see if he shows up. Picked up another RC today, and as you can tell by the title, it's a Sakura D4 drift car. You got this Facebook marketplace locally. Had to drive about 15 or 20 minutes, something like that. So it's a Sakura D4 rear-wheel drive, and it works. Everything works. It's got a gyro. If you can see that. Traxxas TQ or top qualifier. Came with a Toyota Supra body with the chameleon paint, carbon fiber hood and wing. This one's got the magnet mounts, and then you got the Cadillac. This thing is brand new, just painted. Sorry, there's a couple raindrops on it. It's just raining outside. Hasn't been mounted or anything yet.
Perfect. Perfect.